Hello, this is my WordPress website here. Then I'm going to show you how to add product like this on your e-commerce store. So I'll go to my WordPress backend and go to products. I go to add new products. When you come here, whatever the product I have added earlier, you can see it on that menu. Then I click add new. Then then you can give detail about your product, what product you are adding on your e-commerce store. Then you give some detail about it. Then you choose the category, is coming under which category your product. So next video I will show you how to create a category on your e-commerce store. So I will change my title for the product as per my picture. Then give some detail about it. I come down all the way from down, then upload the pictures about the product. I choose some wedding rings over here. Yeah, I'll choose this one. That's better. Yeah, that'll be fine. Okay, then you come here product image, then I click set product image, so that will appear on your page. Then I give price, regular price. If it is not sale product, you can mention only regular, so I make it sale as well. Then go to inventory part, then I make my inventory about my stock, so I have 5 pieces. Then I come all the way down, product short description, then I'll give some detail about the product delivery. Then you can write about, if you are adding something, you give same day delivery. About the product, if you have more detail, you can type on it. Just for example, I give some detail over here, so you can have a look. Then I finish something 925 Italian silver jewelry with a zircon stone. I mentioned some detail about the product. Yes. Then I'll come here, just publish. So once I publish, it's loading, then this product will appear on your website. So I go to the website, so I refresh it, so you can find, go to which category you at, 925 silver, under the rings. Yes, this is the product we added now. It's already on our website, so customers can order. So here is the detail. So if you have more detail about your product, you can give here product short description. You can give all the detail about the product. Thank you very much. Thanks for